dreamed of a world where magic gleamed. When I came, a life unknown, he'd find a place to call his own. From trial space, he learned to fight with friends beside him day and night. In every spell, a truth revealed, a hero's fate forever sealed. From the stone to the hollow's end, a journey where the paths will bend. Through the darkness, through the light, they'll stand tall in every fight. One's up high, the night ignites. We're the magic in the nights. In the rhythm, we'll find our way, dancing till the break of day. Through the shadows, through the fears, we'll rise above, we'll dry the tears. In the rhythm, we'll find our way, dancing till the break of day. Through the battles, through the pain, we'll stand strong, we'll break the chain. In the rhythm, we'll find our way, dancing till the break of day. The whispers call, tale of shadows rise or fall. With every step, the tension grows, but in their hearts, the magic flows. Through the forest, through the fire, they'll push beyond, they'll reach higher. With every beat, their power grows. In the rhythm, the magic shows. In the final duel, the wands will clash. In a storm of spells, the light will flash. The dark lord's reign will meet its end as they stand together, friend with friend. Through the shattered glass of the past, they'll build a future that will last. In every scar, a story told of bravery, we'll find our ways. From the stone to the hollow's end, a journey where the paths will bend. Through the darkness, through the light, they'll stand tall in every fight. One's up high, the night ignites. We're the magic in the nights. In the rhythm, we'll find our way, dancing till the break of day. Through the shadows, through the fears, we'll rise above, we'll dry the tears. In the rhythm, we'll find our way, dancing till the break of day. Through the battles, through the pain, we'll stand strong, we'll break the chain. In the rhythm, we'll find our way, dancing till the break of day. To the boy who lives, to the chosen one, the journey's end, the battle's won. In every heart, the story's told, a legacy forever bold. Through the night, through the day, they'll dance the dark and light away. In the end, the magic stays. In the rhythm, our hearts blaze. On the final duel, the wands will clash in a storm of spells.